Ready for your first Cobol program? Let's go. It is said that there was actually only one Cobol program that was written, and that the rest were modified versions of this very first program. We'll begin with the Hello World program. First, proceed to the GitHub repository link and fetch the Hello World program and copy it to a folder on your computer. The link is also mentioned in the description below. To open this program, in the Open Cobol IDE that you installed, first open the IDE by double-clicking its icon on your desktop. Next, click File, Open, and the Open a File dialog opens where you can search for the folder where you saved the program and click Open. Also, note that recently opened files are listed in the window here. For future sessions, you can open the programs by clicking them from here. If you opened the file correctly, it should be displayed in the Open Cobol IDE's editor as shown here. Take a look at the code. This program has two distinct areas. The first on top is where comments are located, and below the comments is the Cobol code. Any line anywhere in the program can be converted to a comment by placing an asterisk in the 7th column of that line. In the IDE, the 7th column is located to the immediate left of the first vertical red line. The lines in uppercase starting from identification division is the Cobol code. This program has two divisions: an identification division, where we give the program a name, and a procedure division, where we place Cobol statements that perform actions. Here, two actions are being performed: displaying the message, Hello World, and stopping the program. These activities are accomplished by the commands display and stop run. Except for the phrase Hello World used with the display command, the name of the program Hello World in the identification division, and the main procedure mentioned in the procedure division, the rest are all Cobol reserved words and commands. In fact, the color code says it all. Notice how the Cobol reserved words and commands are of the same color. The same with user-defined names and phrases. Cobol 85 code needs to be written in the uppercase, and all statements and commands end with a period. Next, let us see how to run this program. Running a Cobol program involves two things. First, it needs to be compiled, and compiling the program produces an executable file that needs to be run. Using the IDE, we can do both these steps with a single click of the Run button located here. Our program did not have any errors, and you can notice in the simulated display terminal the words Hello World displayed. It also mentions the executable file and its location. If there are errors in the code compilation, they will be flagged and the execution is halted. In the next video, we'll look at debugging and other helpful features of the IDE before we dive into what Cobol is best known for: file processing.